Mung beans ivy coconut milk stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the mung beans recipes and one of the most different of the ivy recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make ivy mung beans coconut milk stew. The ingredients are around 6 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, around 150 grams of ivy cut into pieces, one onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, and 100 grams of mung beans soaked in water for around 1 to 2 hours. Heat the pan and pour in tin foil. Put in the onions. Start until the shells in the onions will separate itself. Then change the garlic, salt, sauteing the ginger and the garlic along with the onion. ready. Mix in the mixed spices with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Put in the mix in the Gourd piece with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Put in salt to taste, mix thoroughly, mix in the salt with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Now put in the mung beans, salt, and mix thoroughly. Thoroughly salt and mix. The mung beans with the rest of the mixture. Pour in 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Mix. And let the mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 25 minutes if in the open pan. Now the mung beans ivy gourd coconut milk stew is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mung beans ivy gourd coconut milk stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes, and one of the most unique of the Mung Beans recipes, and one of the most delicious of the ivy gourd recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes, and one of the most different of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.